So I've been doing a lot of motorcycle travel and other motorcycle adventures. And every time I've been doing them, I always felt like there was something missing.
So yes, I bought a drone. Finally, I got that one missing piece for my travel videos. Every time we've gone on a road trip, I've seen things, seen places, views, and I just thought, you know what, I wish I had a fucking drone. And they're not cheap, but I found one on a really good deal and I just thought, you know what, let's fucking do it. Let's get ready for this year's riding season and have a fucking drone for that riding season. And to give you all a little taste of what this drone will do to my videos, I'm heading towards a town that I absolutely fucking despise. A town that I hate with all my heart. Drammen. Ugh. I can't really explain 100% why I despise Drammen so much. Just something about it. Something that just bugs me and always has. Just hate this town. And everybody who knows me knows that I hate this town. There is a saying in Norwegian that goes, "En dram I timen er bedre enn en time I Drammen." Which means 1 dram an hour, or a shot of alcohol, is better than 1 hour in Drammen. And that is so fucking true. But then again, I love to drink, so I mean, but we have come to this spiceful city for one particular reason, and that is to go to this one tunnel. And that tunnel, or that mountain, is called Spiralen, which means the spiral. And I don't know if you can figure by the name, but it's a tunnel that spirals up a mountain here in this city. And that's pretty cool, I must admit. Even though I hate this town, that's pretty cool. Here we go. Spiralen. And around and round we go. It's fucking crazy to think that we're spiraling in a tunnel inside of a fucking mountain. Like, this is crazy. And it's fucking loud in here. But that's not the tunnel, that's my bike. I think top 10 tunnels that I've ever ridden, and this one's probably number 1. That was it! Spiralen completed! And then of course we are on top of a mountain with great views. And that is where we will try our new toy, the drone. That was fun.
What the fuck?
I told you. I told you about it. I said it's a tunnel that spirals up a mountain.
I thought I was gonna die.
Alright, time to head off from Spiralen, the mountaintop. One thing I didn't think about before I set off with the drone was that I don't need to come to the top of a mountain to fly a drone, when the drone flies 500 meters in the air. I'm still learning, still a drone noob. I must admit though, although I hate Drammen a hell of a lot, it is a beautiful place. The town's shit, but it's built in a very beautiful part of the country. So I'm heading down now to see if I can get some shots down by the river.
So here's what I'm thinking. We set off the drone from here, set it out over the river and down the river, over or under that bridge.
we're gonna head out of here, out of Drammen, out of this wretched town, and head towards Slemstad, the capital of Norway. Get me the fuck out of this town. I don't know how long we've been here now, but I definitely need to have some shots of strong alcohol just to make up for the time I've been here. So actually, my intention of this video was to show off the drone. And it did, but I feel like Spiralen was the highlight of this video, because it was not how I expected it to be. I expected it to be less cool than what it was. But that's the best adventures, in my opinion, the ones that are spontaneous and unexpected. Need to get some petrol, unfortunately, with these fucking prices. And while I do that, let's see what Mara thought of Spiralen.
When I thought of it, I think it was fun. It was scary the first time because I have this weird motorcycle helmet right now with always a sun visor, and I couldn't see. But it was great, like adrenaline kick.
All right, let's head off. What the fuck is CFC Nuggets? That's a fucking knockoff shit, innit? Alright, whatever, let's head off. Thanks for coming along on this adventure. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. From this point on, we should be back on track on a 2-week schedule. And I'm really fucking happy to be back. And for all of you who thought I was gone, I am not. I am here. I'm still here, not going anywhere. It's just, you know, when you don't have a motorcycle in a country that's completely covered in snow and ice, yeah, there's not that much motorcycle content you can make. So make sure you tune in next time, now that we're on land and in the air. What else are we missing? We need a boat to be... We need a motorcycle to be on the water as well. Then all the elements are included in this channel. Actually, no, we need some kind of fire vehicle. That can happen. Anyway, bye-bye.